AILET 2024 application form will be released by the Exam Conducting Authority on 7th August 2023 today. It is the first and foremost step and can be done online on the official website of AILET. AILET 2024 application form will initiate the process of admission for those who are interested to study law at NLU Delhi. Candidates can fill the application form using the following steps. Step 1. Candidates need to visit the official website of NLU Delhi and click on Register to apply now. Step 2. Select the law course that you want to apply for. Step 3. Fill out the AILET 2024 application form. Step 4. Upload the required documents. In this step, candidates need to upload their photograph and signature. And Step 5. Pay the application fee. In the final step towards completing the application process, candidates have to do AILET application form 2024 fee payment through online mode or offline mode. Thank you for watching, and for more information on AILET 2023 click on the link in the description and check out our website at www.getmyuni.com.